So I just wear it in my living room?
It's the Queen City Thrift Series!
That store was amazing. Look how glorious it looks in the sunset.
Two days, 8 thrift stores, 1 trip to the bins, and a $200 budget. This thrifter is on the hunt for vintage and one-of-a-kind items, and to see the best thrifting that Queen City has to offer. Join me here every Sunday and Wednesday in October for a new thrifting adventure and one big haul.
Okay, North Carolina, I see you. Who is she?
I'm shameless.
It is sort of like a thrifting uniform, right?
It's so lovely here.
There is so much gold here. I'm like in heaven. Guys, it is 3 o'clock, which I can't believe because I haven't really done that much thrifting today. I have 6 hours and 6 thrift stores left on my list. Can I do a thrift store an hour for the rest of the day? I don't know, but let's go hit it. We're gonna go to another Value Village location, which again, it's not the Savers Value Village, it's the local chain, but here we go. Here we go. Valuevillage. If you know, you know. Should I make this my souvenir tote bag? That's like homemade puffy paint right there. Why am I looking at purses? I don't need more bags. And yet, I do, don't I? Don't I? Wow, I'm actually seeing jackets in this store, which I have not seen jackets in like any store in any significant number, so I'm gonna start there. A women's Levi's jacket, but it looks so small for me. They're only charging $5.50 for it too. Just fun like rainbow blazer. $7.80. Look at this darling little vintage sweater. Some brown cords that are cool, but they're flared. They're like probably at least a size too small for me. Colors are so pretty. I don't see the price tag on this, which has me worried. Sometimes that means they can't sell it to you at all. Look at this little vintage dress. $4.50.
It just started, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, look at this little houndstooth set. The top zips up. And then it's a button-down skirt with buttons. But look at this big stain on the back. vintage Eddie Bauer set with shorts. This is a size 16. It might fit me. So just wear it in my living room? There's a wild little 80s drop waist.
Are you a bad driver?
Who is she? Like, who donated all of these little numbers? $3.50 for this one. It's a 1X. Like, I kind of have to, right? This is a little Urban Outfitters dress. It's too small for me, but I have a couple of other things like this to put on Depop that I thought maybe I should just get it and put it in there for resale. But okay, so I actually just kind of like sneaked through the store instead of going to the specific departments, but now we're like on the men's side, and so there's just like a little bit more left to look at, and then we'll decide and check out. This is so nice, little Ralph Lauren merino wool, but it's like a men's 2X. It's like definitely oversized. I think too much for me. I found this brand new Tommy long sleeve polo in gray. This would be so cute to crop, but they want $12.50 for it. I just don't think I really want it enough for that. But this, I think this is like perfectly what I've been looking for a couple of days. It's $5.50. It does have some type of something on it, and it looks like it's lipstick. Like there's like almost literally lipstick on the collar. Look what I found! Oh, that's so rad! The thing is peeling off. The print is peeling off, but I think I could iron it back down or do some like fabric glue. It's only $1.50, so I think I kind of have to get it. I don't want to like bring junk home, but it's a DC shirt. It's a vintage radical DC shirt. Feel free to comment if you think I'm stupid for buying that shirt. Ooh, look at this. It's adorable. I love that color. $8.50 for that. I don't know why I'm like getting obsessed with Ralph Lauren, but officially am. All right, I feel done in here. I actually found quite a bit. So I'm gonna check out, and then I think we're going to Goodwill. Another Goodwill. Woo! Little sneak peek at what I picked up.
So this Value Village threw me for a loop. Like the selection at first didn't seem that great, but if you really dig in there, you can find some gems. And some of the vintage gems they had priced higher, like they know what people are thrifting for, but a lot of them they haven't. So I think my review of this store is that like if you've got time and like love to dig, this is a good one to come to. I definitely did walk away with a number of things, and dollar-wise, it was my biggest purchase so far. I think $35 total. So that's like pretty great. And yeah, the things I got from here were like really special and fun, I think. And I think I just maybe also was at a point where I was just like, let's just get it. Just get it. They do have a tag sale. So if you come here, look when you walk in, because I didn't see it till I was at the register, but look when you walk in, look on the left wall, and they have two different colors of tags on sale. One of the colors will be 50% off and the other 75% off. So unfortunately, I actually didn't pick up anything on a sale tag. So onward, the next stop, where are we going? I don't know where I'm going yet, but I'm gonna GPS it. I think it's a Goodwill. and I'll see you there.